Hi guys, today we will solve reverse linked list problem. So let's read. It's like problem statement. Given the head of the single linked list, reverse the list and return the reverse list. Right. So example is given here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to return 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. So first thing, how we will approach this problem. So there is two method to approach this problem, like one is recursion method and one is iteration method. So the recursion method can be like use a like recursion method uses the stack to store the states of the like a function call, right? So if the like our linked list is very large, so it can be happen like there may be a stack overflow problem can become. So we will solve this problem using the iteration method. So suppose uh, let's take the same example. So the example is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So first let know what is like singly linked list. So singly linked list has two things. This is data in one node, like, and this is next pointer, right? This is the pointer that points something, right? Suppose this one. So in single list you can't go backward, you only able to traverse in the afterward, right? Forward. So to reverse the linked list, so you need to require the like know the previous pointer. Suppose the example is like suppose 1 and 2, right? And suppose you have a current pointer here, so and it points towards something xy, suppose 3, right? So uh, so if you want to like because 2.3, so in the reverse linked list what will be like 1 pointing 2 and then pointing 3. So basically in reverse linked list 2's next pointer pointing to 3, you need to point the next pointer to 1, like this one. So suppose in this one 1, 2, 3. So first suppose you have current pointer here, so it's pointing currently 2 and then 3. So what you need to do, first you need to change this pointer to something else. Suppose here is null, right? First pointer you need, and then if you then you know the like if, then two's pointer should point to the then 2 pointer it's like 2 pointer should be like 2's next pointer should point to the 1, and it's like 3's next pointer pointing to null currently, so it should be point to the 2. So what will be the new one? It's 1, 2 and 3, right? So the problem is how you can change this problem, how you can know the like previous pointer, how you can know the next pointer, how you know the current pointer, right? So suppose you have given the linked list same 1, 2, 3 and 4 something 5, right? So the given pointer is this one, like head, right? Suppose we make a one pointer current, if here our pointer this is equal to head, suppose, right? So basically this pointer will be current at first start, and take like one previous pointer that point to null, right? So at every time we have a two pointers, previous pointer and a current pointer. Every time, suppose uh, so basically this is a like previous pointer and we have a current pointer. What we can how we can reverse this using two pointers? So suppose we take now one new pointer, suppose next pointer, and first it will be like uh, it will be like current ka next, right? Because if we directly change the its next pointer to previous pointer, it's we will lost where is it 2. So first we need to find the where its next point is pointing. The next pointer we know the next pointer pointing to the current next, right? Now we know it's this point, now we know, right? This next pointer will point this. Now here will be the next pointer, right? So now we can say its current next pointer we can change to previous. So basically current next will be point to previous pointer, right? So previous pointer something pointing something. Now previous we can say previous pointer to current pointer we can bring. Now we increase the current pointer to next. Now current pointer to next PTR. So its first step process what will be? It will be like there is 1, this is 2 pointing 3, and here will be like previous pointer using this line, right? Here will be current pointer because this line, right? And it's like next pointer will be something null, right? And the next stage what we can do, again same method will be called, like its next pointer we will find first its next pointer, next PTR, right? Next pointer, and what we can show, the once we know the next pointer, then we can change like it's pointed to this one, and then we can previous to current, and then current to next pointer. So like similar to above these lines, right? We will again, so second iteration will be 1 pointing 2, and there will be 3. So here will be like our previous pointer, and here will be a current pointer, right? This one. So we will increase the current pointer till the end of the linked list, suppose. So what we can do, let's write the code first in here itself. So basically this one, suppose we have a, you have given a like what you have given 1 2 3 4 and 5. So now you know you have given the head, right? So now you need to given the like you have a suppose you have given one function list node, you need to return reverse linked list, okay, right? And you have given the list node head, right? Now you need to implement this, right? How we can do? So first thing you need to check the like head node is like is head is like already a null pointer or only it has a only single element. So if it is single element you need not to reverse it, right? It's already reversed. So you need to check like if head is equal to null, right? Or head next equal to null, then what we can do? We can do only return head, because we need not to do anything, right? So now what you can do, we need only two pointers. One is previous one, so we can say here only just I am writing only pseudo code and not a proper code. So we need to do, previous pointer will be suppose null at first time, and current pointer will be head, right? And what we do, we run the while loop till current pointer is not null, right? So current is not equal to null, then what we can show, just we only need to do first next pointer equal to current next, right? And then change to current next pointer to previous, right? Now we increase to we move to previous pointer to current pointer and change to current pointer to next pointer, right? Now this process will go till the end, and then we return previous pointer, because at the last current pointer will become a null, right? So this is the code. So what we are doing here, first initially we have given the previous pointer like this null, and this is head. Then we are just moving ahead, and just we need to only 3 pointer, right? Before changing the next pointer to previous pointer to the previous node, like before suppose like here, so like suppose we have 1 and 2, right? So so suppose this is current, so before changing its current's next pointer to previous one, right, we need to know where is 2, right? So that's why we are doing first we are doing next ptr equal to current next, right? Here like you can see here we are doing next ptr, right? So that we do not lose the next pointer, and then we are changing the its next pointer to previous one. So like here is like previous one, so then we are after that we are changing the its next pointer to previous one, and then what we are doing now, we change the next pointer. Now we move to the previous pointer to current pointer. Now here is the previous, now we will bring to previous to current pointer and current to next pointer. So here we are doing what we are doing, previous to next and then current to next pointer, right? And then we are returning the previous pointer, right? So you can get the code here, this one, and I will also write the code in the that Leetcode website. So this was the simple example. So this is you need to always know the 2 pointers, like current pointers and previous pointers, and using the current pointers you can know the next point, what is the next point, what will be the next pointer of current pointer, right? So you at one time you need two pointers. You using 2 pointers, you can revert the linked list, right? So let me show the code of the problem. So like this is the problem given, right? So 1 2 3 is 4 given, and you need to return 5 4 3 2 1, right? So let's the code is here the same. I'm doing. So currently, like I'm doing what I'm doing. Let me highlight this more. Yeah. So let me some green one, red one. So here we are checking the head is equal to null pointer or a head contains null pointer. So if head is already a null or a head's next is already null, so we need not to reverse the linked list. We can directly return the head pointer, right? Now in this line, here we are just initializing previous pointer, and then we are initializing current pointer, and in the now we are running the while loop currents we are using the like the current pointer will not be null, right? So first what we are getting, first I'm taking next pointer, right? So before changing the next pointer to the previous pointer, we need to already know the next pointer of what will the pointer after the current pointer, right? Like you can say like this is 1 and 2, and here is your current. If you are changing its next, so before changing its next you need to know that it's where will be the pointer, where will be node 2, right? So that's why we are doing here so that's why we are just 1 second. Yeah. So that's why here we are doing next pointer. First we are doing the next pointer, then here we are changing the next pointer, and here now I am moving the previous pointer to current pointer and current pointer to next pointer. So in this way I am always going ahead in the linked list and reversing it current simultaneously, right? And then I am returning and then here I am returning previous pointer, right? So because the when the every node will be processed, the current node will be a null pointer, right? That's why when the while loop will be break, that's why we are returning previous pointer, because previous pointer is just previous the current pointer. So now the previous is so because every time we are like in this way what we are doing 1 2 and then 3. So initially it was head, right? So now in the new linked list what we are doing, we are changing this next pointer to this one, and its next pointer to here, and its next pointer to here, right? And then we are returning this one, previous one, right? So this will be a new head. That's why we are returning previous pointer here. So yeah, that's it, guys. If you have any issue, please comment on this video and I will fix out. And if you liked it, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.